Hello, friends. We chose for today six match. First one, we chose over 3.5 or over 2.5. For this match, we chose over 2.5. For this one, we have two choices. First choice is both teams to score, yes, or over 2.5. Vibrog with Predritia, we choose both teams to score, yes, or over 2.5. For Leipzig vs Augsburg, we choose over 2.5 or the home with handicaps. Yes, we prefer over 2.5 because we have here 144 and here 142, and yes, the best one is over 2.5. For the last match between Elche and Celta Vigo, we choose home will win. Home will win. This is our prediction for today. That is not mean fixes matches, but the prediction or pronostics which we have for today. Good luck for everyone, and one advice for all you: choose one, 2 or 3 matches. Don't play all matches in one game, but choose 1, 2 or 3 is okay. Good luck for everyone.